Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be planning in my Big Happy Planner. And what I will be using today is sort of a gardening farmer's market sort of theme. So I have this farmer's market hot buy from Michael's last year, and then I have these stickers from the Dollar Tree. Really cute dimensional stickers. It says, "How does your garden grow?" Has the little seed packet there. And then I have my two Mambi sticker pads here. So I'm going to pull from all this stuff. Let's get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. So here's my final spread. I think this turned out so super cute. And I just love these dimensional stickers from the Dollar Tree, and it went really well with the paper pad that I had. So I hope you like this. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.